Morning everybody!
Morning!
Today we have decided to go into Northwich because we need some shopping and also to have a little nosy round.
Yeah.
But it turns out it's about half an hour walk down the River Weaver, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Which is like a nature reserve as well, so it should be pretty interesting.
Yeah. So hopefully we're going to walk there, have a look round, then do some shopping and then get the bus back.
Yeah, because we're not carting our shopping all that way back.
That's a bit of a long walk, isn't it?
It's also quite awkward walking with Luna, isn't it, with shopping bags, because she gets
in the way.
she gets the hump about the shopping bags swinging around.
Yeah, so
right.
Hopefully we can get a bus back.
Yeah, sure we will.
Let's go!
We've just walked through the Anderton boat lift
Visitor centre
and garden, and then you come down onto the towpath.
On the river.
She said, you can't get lost. If you get wet feet, you've gone the wrong way.
That means you're in the river. So, yeah. It's this way.
It's this way. What are you doing, Looney?
I'm chancing, Daddy. I'm chancing under the tree.
Come on. Luna, come on. Stop trancing.
Okay.
Good girl. Do you know the way, do you?
This way.
That'd be right if it stays sunshine and cloud. It won't be
Yeah,
too hot,
it won't get too hot, no.
Obviously, if the boat lift was working, we would be able to come down in our boat and then moor
on these moorings.
On these pontoons, which would be lovely.
Yeah.
One day.
Yes, when they fix it.
Well, they've just put up with the sound of factory alarms in the background.
Beep-boo, beep-boo, beep-boo.
Ruining the peace and quiet.
Didn't hear that yesterday when we was down.
No. What birds are they?
A birdie bird. A Tweety bird.
It's a very different sounding bird, wasn't it?
Yeah. Come on, Luna. Did you peek?
Your enthusiasm run out already, Loons. It's not a stony path, so it should be all right for you.
No, there's some weeds overgrowing, isn't there? So perhaps it's that. You know how sensitive she is.
Yeah. It's a pigeon. I know what that one is.
Nice little picnic area.
Yeah.
You half in already?
Good job it's not proper hot.
You're not wearing a big fur coat, Dad.
No, it's because I'm sensible.
Can't take mine off.
Good job it's only a short fur coat then. Isn't it, Loon?
Yes. Come on. Come on. Good girl.
Just come down along there and the river starts going round the corner here. It's quite a nice view.
path's, it's a really good walk, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
just a little bit overgrown.
Luckily this bit isn't. This is
No.
quite a nice bit of path, isn't it? But
Yeah.
back there it was like fighting your way through the
Through
Everglades.
the jungle.
We've been totally surrounded by the sounds of birds, haven't we?
Yeah, it's lovely. Come on.
Come on, Luna. Good girl. We've got a slightly unwilling participant this morning,
As usual.
as usual. Lazy bull terrier.
As usual. Come on. I wonder if these pipes are for the old salts.
Salt mining.
Yeah. I'm guessing they are because they're that sort of year, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like era.
Turns out this whole area, all the flashes and the River Reaver really, is all come about through salt mining. Where it was unregulated, they went mental, didn't they? And
Yeah.
once they found salt, everybody around the area was digging it out. And then all the mines started collapsing. So then they ended up pumping salt back into them, didn't they, to
salt
uphold
water
them?
back in.
But that's what created all these rivers and flashes.
Well, not the river.
Well, kind
The
of
river
did.
was here, but
Yeah,
it
not
wasn't
to this,
navigable.
not to this extent.
No.
It's funny how nature has a way of reclaiming itself back, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that bit opposite, where you can see all the trees around, if I can get a shot through these trees. Over there, that big hill is all totally man-made, we was told yesterday.
Yeah.
Apparently that was all to do with the salt mining and everything, and they built a big like dry stone wall around it and then infilled it with rubbish. Oh, squirrel.
Yeah.
Just shot up there. Didn't even get that on the camera.
They infilled it with, it wasn't rubbish, it was coal slag, wasn't it?
Yeah, and then infilled it with the waste product from the salt
Yeah.
production.
And then decided it was sort of toxic and left it alone.
Then they gifted it to the council. The council wanted to build houses on it, and then after doing lots of soil surveys and everything, decided they couldn't. So it's been left as a nature reserve, hasn't
Yeah.
it?
Apparently there's species of insects and butterfly there that there is nowhere else in the country.
Yeah, it's now a
SSSI.
yeah. What does that stand for?
Oh, I don't know.
A site of scientific interest.
Yeah. Special scientific interest, isn't it?
Could be.
Because it's 3 S's and an I.
Yeah. There's a sign there.
Town centre.
Northwich Town Centre, to the right. Got to cross the river.
It's lovely round here though, isn't
Yeah.
it?
There's lots of little offshoots like this arm coming down here, but they're not navigable to big boats.
No. Not anymore.
Canoes and rowing boats maybe. Oh, there's a sign there about it. This is a former landfill site. Noxious and flammable substances are present on the site. Please keep to the paths, no smoking or farting.
No gas explosions.
Well, we've left the river behind. That didn't take long, did it?
No.
Nice little walk though,
Yeah.
through the nature reserve. We're now at the Barron Keys shopping centre, which hopefully will lead through to the town centre.
Hopefully.
The sign sort of pointed this way and then stops. doesn't
Yeah.
it?
But we know it's over that way, don't we? We know it's to the left.
Yeah.
So have a walk round here and see what we find. I mean, Asda's is there.
Yeah. That's where we'll come back to for shopping.
Yeah.
But we went to
Annoyingly, you've got to come here and then walk back into town to get the bus.
Go, oh, right.
But
We wanted to look more at the old town.
old town, yeah.
Let's have a look at the old buildings.
Yeah.
I can see our first one over there, surrounded in scaffolding.
Yeah. Well, we'll go down and turn left down here, can't
Yeah. This all looks fairly new, doesn't it?
Yes, it does look fairly new.
Well, this is the swing bridge over the River Weaver. It was built in 1899. Still going strong today with all the traffic over it. It does say up here that it had strengthening and refurbishment of the town bridge. It was completed in 1998. But even so, still impressive that it's still going today.
Wait.
Mobility scooter coming through. We gotta wait, Lunals. This is where we came down to on the boat trip yesterday. Looks like there's a little marina the other side of the bridge over there. Looks like the nationwide building was 1920s, 1929. Definitely very elaborate, some of these buildings. And the carvings in the wood. This one over it is actually got proper carved figurines at the top. Almost like gargoyles up there as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So in 1881 there was an act passed in Northwich that said all buildings had to be timber framed due to the amount of subsidence in the area, so the buildings could easily be taken down and re-erected if necessary. So that's why there's so many timber frame buildings.
Hiya. She's friendly.
I know, I love them. They look.
Wagging your tail.
So
We quite often say why the long face, and then we go,
Gorgeous,
oh yeah, you were
aren't
born
you?
that way.
Good girl.
Good girl. Yes, you're a good girl.
Wagging your tail at them. Clever girl. We found this nice cafe called Bear. haven't
Bear. Rah. But it's dog friendly.
we? Which is dog friendly. We got Looney's here with a hello.
No.
We've got a nice bowl of water and you've had some snacks, and we've got ourselves a nice couple of milkshakes. Which Luna's very interested in because she can see the ice cream.
Can't have mine, it's got banana in it.
Staring at it, aren't they?
Can't have it.
It's right next to the river, which is over there. It's very nude, isn't it? It's all nice.
Yeah, it's very fancy.
Nice outside area around there. This will do for a nice little pit stop.
Yeah.
Weatherspoons certainly picked some grand buildings. Look at that. Just a shame they're not dog friendly.
Sainsbury's just there,
Oh yeah.
in that land.
Lots of these nice old buildings, isn't there?
Yeah, lovely. Just struggling to find somewhere to eat
That's dog friendly.
that's dog friendly.
It's getting a big pause down, isn't it, Luna?
Yes, Daddy.
Well, we secured shopping and then got the bus back, which drops us off back up one of the swing bridges further on from the boat lift. So we only had a short walk with the
10-minute
shopping.
walk.
Yeah, 10-minute walk back with the shopping to the
Yeah.
boat, which wasn't too bad, was it?
No,
We struggled.
just spitting with rain as
Just
well.
started spitting with rain, so we got back just in time. Luna's down there in the chair, huffing.
Huffing.
You worn out from your days out?
You steady.
We struggled to find dog-friendly places that we could go in and eat, didn't
Yeah.
we? We found one in the end, which was a lovely little cafe, which were really friendly, weren't they, and did great food.
Yeah, had a lovely chicken wrap, didn't we?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
I think it was a Mexican restaurant, wasn't it?
Don't know.
I don't know. Anyway, it was really nice.
But yeah, we had a wander around, had a look at the old buildings.
Yeah.
There wasn't much to see in Northwich, really, was there?
No,
It's,
the buildings were interesting
yeah, to us.
to us.
There is a museum there, which if we had more time we could go to, but it wasn't dog friendly, surprise, surprise. So we didn't do that one.
No.
But it'd been nice if the boat lift had been working to have gone down there on the boat, because we could have gone down on the lift onto the River Weaver and then moored up right outside that where the coffee shop. Yeah, the coffee
where
shop.
we had our milkshakes. Yeah.
So
But-
maybe one day.
Yeah.
But that's all that's done, and then tomorrow we can turn round.
Tomorrow we're going to leave because it's only a 2-day mooring.
Stop at the boatyard around the corner on the way to get pump out and gas bottle,
Yeah.
and then back out in the nature.
Yay!
Yay!